Welcome back, guys. Microsoft Excel, it's not just about data management, but also presentation of the data. To illustrate what this defines, what is in between the lines, and what does this mean, whatever you're presenting. I would give you an example how you can make it more meaningful, more explanatory by including some features of Excel. So let's move on to our spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, we have some months and some data, and we would like to add a caption here, but that should be more attractive. To make it more attractive, I will click on to Insert. When you click on the Insert menu, you will find multiple options, and in Illustration section, you will find icons. Click on the icons. When you reach the icons, there will be a pop-up menu, and you will get a lot of options that can be very useful for your spreadsheet. One of the options is Cutout People. Here we have a lot of Cutout People. You can choose any of your choice that suits best in that circumstances. In our case, we will pick this one, for example, and we will click on Insert. When we'll click on the Insert, we will find the image in a few seconds onto our computer. Now, this is a little bit bigger, but I can adjust this visual by clicking here and dragging it down. You can see this image is quite in frame for my spreadsheet. Now I need to put some text on this whiteboard. So I will go back into Insert and I will insert a shape here. Let's say this square. I will include it here and I will tilt it a little bit to adjust to this particular image. In this, I will put, let's say, annual results for 2020 and 2021. By doing this, now I will go to shape format and I will shape it in a way that it's fitting in here. Still, we have the boundaries, so I will click on the shape outline and no outline. Now there is no outline. I will still need to make the text a little bigger. I will make it bigger to fit into okay, I will just make it a little low because it is not very good. Okay, let's say this is the example. There you go. Now this is more illustrative of what I'm presenting here. What are the numbers, and it's good to present. You can take a snapshot out of it and put it into your PowerPoint presentations as well. And you can use many other people cut out to suit and fit your presentations. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. I would encourage you to practice on your own and try to be more creative. Do share your comments down in the comment section, and if you're a first-time joiner, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I look forward to see you again. Till then, take care and stay safe. Ta-da.